Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl. It's your girl. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today's video is going to be a vlog, but before we dive into it, I wanted to talk to you a little bit just because the vlogs that you're about to see are months old. Yes. Girl, you already know how I do. I stay filming and I don't upload my videos, especially not on time. So I have decided to upload all of the vlogs that I've been filming this year. And I have a lot of them. And I believe the first one is a Father's Day vlog. So it was filmed back in June. And I want to make Friday the official day that I upload my vlogs. I'm kind of excited. I've already planned all of my content. I know, without a plan, you already know it's not gonna happen. The first vlog is gonna be the Father's Day vlog, and the second one, well, you're gonna have to subscribe to see what else is coming. Hopefully you enjoy these videos, and without further ado, let's get into the vlog. But actually, before we even get started, okay, if you don't know, your girl is selling a self-care box. It's a partnership with IMONatural. IMONatural is a small Black-owned business here in Ottawa, Canada, and she is the queen of clean beauty products. If you need butters, if you need hair conditioners. Funny story. Let me give you a little story, a little background with me and IMONatural. I first discovered her, I believe it was like 2013. It was the beginning of my hair care journey, and I was looking for shea butter. And you know how they tell you not to get the shea butter or don't use any kind of shea butter. You need to get the pure thing from the motherland. And that's how I connected with her, because I wanted to get shea butter. Fast forward to a year later, she reached out to me and she said that she had these luxurious hair and body creams and she wanted me to try it. Ever since I tried it, girl, I stopped making my own shea butter, because way back in the day, I actually used to whip my own shea butter mixed with oils for my hair. Stopped doing all that ever since I discovered her body cream, her hair and body creams. So yeah, that's basically how it all started. Fast forward to 2019, I wanted to go all in with my influencer career, but I was feeling really lost. I was feeling really defeated at the time. I remember being in my bathroom and just trying to do my self-care and feeling very frustrated with life, with influencing work. I felt like I was working really hard and nothing was happening. And I was like, you know what? Working with brands is kind of like, it's a hassle. There's a lot that goes behind the scene when you are working with a brand. So I was like, you know what? Why don't I create my own thing? And the first brand that popped in my mind was IMONatural. I love her products. I love her philosophy. I reached out to her. I was sitting in my bathroom when I texted her on Instagram and I was like, hey, I have an idea. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is how a piece of paradise came to fruition. I'm very proud to hold this box in my hand because we worked on it for so long. And especially with COVID, it was really hard to get supplies, to get things together. We weren't sure we were gonna meet our deadlines, and we had to like push things back along the way. But I'm just so proud to hold this in my hand, because it shows you when you work hard, if you put your mind, then you can really create anything that you want to. In your box, if you haven't purchased it yet, you will get a lot of goodies. You'll basically get everything that you need for your own self-care day. And you know me, I'm big on self-care so that you can perform and show up at 100%, because you can't pour from an empty cup. It's real. Of course, for me, I was like, what can I offer? What product can I come out with? Like, the wheels are turning. But it was a no-brainer because I'm just such a huge advocate of self-care. You will get a handmade soap. You'll also get a body scrub as well as a hair and body cream. Yes, girl, I'm not gonna judge you. You can use it on your hair. You can use it on your body. And you'll also get a body oil. Especially now that it's getting cooler and it's getting colder. Ashy is not cute. Ashy will never be cute. So if you want to double up, moisturize your body, and then add a little bit of oil, that's what I do, girl. To the elbows, to the knees, to your feet, so that they stay soft, smelling good. You'll also get a candle so you can set the mood right, as well as all of the tools that you need to make this your own little self-care moment in your bathroom. Okay, you can thank me later. The link will be in the description box, and we're only selling them until the end of September. So after that, too bad, so sad. You snooze, you lose. So get your box today. Now, let's get into the vlog. Oh, hey girl, I did not see you here. Well, welcome back to the vlogs. I am actually just getting ready to leave the house, which doesn't happen very often. I have to actually leave like now, but skincare is important, and that's what I'm doing. I'm going out to pick up a few things. I'm also going to see my mom. Actually, I'm just letting you know what we're gonna do, because since you're here, you know, I feel like you like when we have an agenda. Right now is skincare, and then we're gonna go to the hair store. I'm actually gonna pick up something at the post office. This is why I need to hurry up, because they close at 5, and I feel like it's almost 5 o'clock. Today is June 19th, by the way. Happy Juneteenth if you are in the States. Anyways, what was I saying? Post office first, and then go to the hair store to pick up some new products, because girl, I'll tell you later. I'll tell you later, because I need to do this. What am I using now? And then we are also gonna go see my mom, and then after that we'll pick up some groceries to make dinner with, and I think that's it. So the reason why I want to go to the hair store is because we are gonna be doing this no oil, no butter challenge. Oh girl, makes me nervous to say it, but you know what? I'm excited to do it, because I was just talking to a salon owner. We had actually a great conversation. She does hair, right? So she's gone to cosmetology school, and we had a really good conversation. It's on my Instagram if you want to check it out, on my IGTV. And we had like an hour-and-a-half conversation about just black hair, and it makes sense. It's a lot coming from me saying that it makes sense to not use oil and butters, but the way that she described it, or the way that she explained everything to me, kind of makes sense. And a lot of things that we do are just rooted with how it's always been done, right? Like how grandma did it, how our moms did it. And the process of unlearning certain things can be really hard, which is what I think a lot of us are struggling with. Like just the thought of not using oils or butter in my hair really makes me nervous, especially the alternative, because you're telling me not to use oil and butters, but you're telling me to put gel in my hair after I wash it. That makes no sense. But that's also because I've never done a whole process that way. I've done bits of it and then didn't like it and gave up. By the way, I just put on this vitamin C serum from Drunk Elephant, and this is like my 3rd time using it. I'm trying it out, and I love the texture. We need to do a whole video about skincare, obviously. All right, skincare is almost done. I just have to put on some SPF, and then we are going to run out of the house, and I'm taking you along with me. I wanted to wrap my hair up, but I don't know. I think I'm kind of just liking it the way that it is. We need to do a whole hair update, because we are done with the Protective Style Challenge, and I'm only a month late into my update. Only a month. But just know that I've been thinking about you every single day. Here's my little outfit of the day. We are wearing jeans, girl. Can you believe that? Jeans. Anyways, these ones are comfortable. I think they're from Zara. I have this oversized top situation going. And that's it. I left my hair into this little bun. I also have some green juice, because I didn't do it this morning, so I'm playing catch up right now. And we're just gonna go with slides, because why not? All right, so I just got to the beauty supply store, and girl, there's a whole lineup outside. A whole ass lineup. Everybody was like, we out here trying to get our hair products. Okay, in our defense, we've been on lockdown this entire time, so you couldn't really go shop in any stores. Everything's been closed. So we just opened everything up last week, I think. Not open everything up, like for patio shopping. Patios are open, and I think certain stores are open, including the beauty supply store. I still can get my nails done, y'all. I still can get a facial, which is what I really want to do. Yeah, there's a whole line. I don't know if I want to stay. I think you can order online, but it's a whole line. It's actually, let me see if I can show you. See that? It's a whole line. Mad people out here. Okay, you know what? Let me see if I can just order online and come back some other day. But damn, when do I want to come back? I only need 2 products, y'all. That's all I need. The line isn't even moving. So no, I'm gonna go. I don't have time for this. I'm a busy woman. I ain't got time for any of this. I do have time, clearly, if I'm out here trying to get some hair products that I don't even need. This is what kills me. Okay, I'm gonna go. I've been real driving around. I'm gonna go see my mom, and then we're gonna go to the grocery store and pick up some really good items and make a nice little dinner tonight. Tomorrow's Father's Day, you know, so I'm gonna make Bae a nice meal. I should probably get him something too, right? I mean, I know we're not parents, but it's kind of cute. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get up out of here. Nah. So I'm at Walmart, and I don't know if anybody else is like this, but I really don't like doing groceries. I don't feel like doing it anymore. I'm already out here though, so I'm gonna do it, but I don't really want to. So my phone died, and the recipe that I wanted to do was on my phone. Oh, I look so shiny. And I don't know what I need. For real, I don't. So I am just gonna grab whatever. I'm trying to recreate the recipe by memory, and it's not going well. I can tell. I can tell I'm forgetting something. Hello. So it is the next day, and we're about to get to cooking. So I went back to the store today because I forgot a few things, but I think I have everything that I need. Kinda, not really, but anyways, we're just gonna like whip it. And I didn't give you guys context. I'll give you context. All right, so I went to my brother's house maybe like 3 weeks ago, and he had this book, Collecting Dust, on a shelf at his house. I mean, it didn't look like he was using it, so I was like, listen, let me use this for you. So I grabbed it. It's this New York Times best-selling cookbook, which has classic recipes for a new century, okay? I don't know what that means, but I find that I make a lot of the same meals at home. I don't know if you guys can relate, but like, I basically have a rotation of recipes that I kind of memorize and cook over and over and over. I'm kind of bored of it, and especially with the pandemic being at home, I realized that I just cook the same thing, and I'm Haitian, and we kind of like don't follow recipes. That's the thing. So a lot of you guys on Instagram always tell me, Jen, oh my God, how did you do this? Or how did you make it? And it's like, sis, I don't know. I just use what I have. But anyways, I'm kind of excited to get into this cookbook. So I randomly just like opened the book into a random page, and we're making Lee Lum's lemon chicken. I have most of the ingredients, and I actually already seasoned the chicken just to get things started, because I mean, this isn't a cooking show, okay? You don't need step by step. And if you do want step by step, I will put all of the ingredients down below. I just realized that I'm gonna have to type up how to make this, and yeah. Okay, whatever. Oh my God, did I get pineapples? All right, so this is the recipe that we're making. It looks like it's, I don't know, Asian inspired. And I say this because it asked for Asian sesame oil, which I don't know. I got regular sesame oil, girl. I don't know if it makes a difference, but this is the recipe. And it's interesting that I'm gonna be making this because there isn't any pictures in this book. So I don't actually know what this is supposed to look like. By the way, happy Father's Day to all of the daddies out there. Today is June 20th and it's Father's Day. So yeah, huge shout out to all of the men out there that are not watching my channels, but you know, your man, your husband, your boyfriend, your fiance, your baby's father. Happy Father's Day. My father is no longer with us. So today is kind of like a hard day for me, which is kind of like why I keep busy. I'm actually uploading a video right now as I speak. Stan and I have this little thing that we do where we acknowledge each other. We're not parents yet, but for Mother's Day, he'll get me something or do something nice for me, and I'll do something nice for him for Father's Day. And y'all know the way to a man's heart is through his stomach. By cooking Lee Lum's lemon chicken. That's how you do it. So that's what we're gonna do. Like I told you guys, I already started seasoning the chicken, and it's kind of like interesting way of seasoning or marinating or whatever. I've only used soy sauce in here, salt, and sesame oil. That is not how I would have seasoned this, but this is what the recipe says to do, so I'm gonna follow it, okay? You remember how yesterday my phone died when I was at the store? So I kind of like tried to remember the recipe. Well, yeah, so I forgot a few things, or I don't have a few things, but that's okay. I just feel like when it comes to cooking, You could substitute if you need to, right? All right, so this is all of the ingredients. Honestly, I will just link everything down below because I don't know how long this video is going to be and I don't want it to be too long. So anyways, we got like chicken broth, flour, vinegar, white vinegar, chicken of course, egg whites, pineapple chunks, peppers, lemon juice and zest, and then we also have some. They asked for iceberg lettuce. I didn't have any, so I just used romaine. Carrots, cornstarch dissolved in some water, as well as some onions. Anyways, I don't know how this is all gonna come together, but we're gonna see. I'm very curious too. I'm just as curious as you are. Like, how is this all gonna come together? Girl, this chicken looks like it's going to be delicious. Okay. So I'm outside frying this chicken because we don't like frying things inside the house. We don't want the house to smell like fried food. I know it's very picky of us, but we have a whole little setup in the barbecue so that we can just fry things out in the garage. I don't know, girl. We're trying to be shishi over here. When I tell you I'm doing the most right now, listen, Popeyes could never. All right, oh my God. Doesn't that look good? That looks so good. I'm so proud of myself. I also made some creme brulee. I know. I went all out today. Creme brulee is actually pretty easy to make. I just have to like caramelize the top, so I am gonna... Actually, I don't know if I'm gonna do it right now. I think I'll do it after we're done eating so that it's nice and hot and fresh and ready to go. It looks so good. It looks like a professional chef came and made us dinner. Like, how do you even eat it? I don't know. All I know is that it looks super good. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. I hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to tune in every Friday for a new vlog. And if you are waiting for the hair color, the video on the hair color, and all of the details about the hair color, girl, don't you worry. It's coming. It's coming. It's just a lot to go through. Okay, it's a lot of work. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.